If you had to make $100 a day, what would you do? Let me tell you how to make some quick extra cash with zero investment. That moment when you check your bank account and think, I need money like now. Maybe it's an unexpected bill, a last-minute opportunity, or just want to prove to yourself that you can actually make money on demand. Well, the good news is I'm going to show you how to make that money today. No get-rich-quick schemes, no unrealistic promises, just practical strategies that actually work. So here are some real, fast, and actually doable ways to make $100 in a single day, even if you're starting from zero. Got an old phone, tools, clothes, or random gadgets lying around your closet? Turn them into cash. That old gaming controller gathering dust, well, that's someone's willing to pay $30 for it. Those designer jeans you never wear, easy $40 to $50. Here's the plan. Take photos of anything you haven't used in 3 months. Post on Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, or eBay with the magic phrase, available for immediate pickup. Price things to sell today, not to maximize profit. You'd be shocked how fast people buy stuff when it's local and priced just right. Why be broke and bored when someone out there would literally pay you to carry their couch or rake their leaves? Yeah, offering local help is one of the fastest ways to stack cash. Think about it. Who has time to assemble that IKEA bookshelf? Not me. Who wants to spend Saturday cleaning out their garage? The opportunity is everywhere. Post in local Facebook groups, saying something like, available today for small jobs. Check TaskRabbit for same-day tasks. Text your neighbors directly. It's fast, it's easy, and it pays better than you think. Got a car, bike, or even good walking shoes? Boom! You're ready to start making money. Apps like DoorDash, Uber Eats, and Instacart let you earn cash by delivering food or groceries on your schedule. The smart approach, well, hit the streets during lunch or dinner rush. Stack orders, use multiple apps and accept the best orders from each. Work a 4-hour shift during prime time and you're looking at $60 to $100. How about making extra money without even leaving your home? Yeah, check out Amazon Turk or other remote gig sites like Microtasks that pay the same day. Quick tip, look for projects marked urgent or needed today. They always pay better. If you love spending time with kids or puppies, why not get paid for it? Parents and pet owners often need last-minute help, so here are some things you can do. Ask around your neighborhood. Post in local Facebook groups. Try apps like care.com or Rover. Just make sure to check the average local rates first and mention if you have a pet when posting about your services. It builds trust and helps you stand out. Same-day cash and free cuddles. Total win. But what if you want something even easier? What if you could earn money without even leaving your house? Without doing physical tasks? Without even really working in the traditional sense? Enter Pawns.app. The app that can help you make that money without even leaving your couch. Earn real cash through games, surveys, and sharing internet, with some users hitting over $100 depending on activity. Just download and install Pawns.app on your phone and start making real money today. It's fun, it's free, and it works anywhere in the world. Here's a winning strategy. Start with surveys. Take every one available and always answer honestly to unlock better paying ones. Play games you actually enjoy. That way, you're earning and having fun. Turn on passive income. Let the app share a small bit of your internet in the background. You won't notice it, but it runs 24/7 and earns while you do nothing. Make the easiest cash ever and get paid the way you want. PayPal, Venmo, electronic transfer, Bitcoin, or gift cards. So can you actually make an extra $100 today? 100% yes, but only if you use the right strategy. Pick a hustle that works for you and use a money-making app that works in your region. Start with Pawns.app because it's the easiest win. Download it, sign up, and start making real money today. Remember, $100 might just be the start, so let's get to it. Now, don't forget to like and subscribe for more real money-making strategies, and let me know in the comments below which strategy you're trying first.